What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're just going to be going over some technicals for Baby Doge because, as you can see, we just now went on an uptrend here. So, we're going to be talking about whether or not Baby Doge is going to continue this uptrend and break some new highs. So, yeah, definitely stick around to the end. And also, hit the like button and subscribe if you really like these Baby Doge videos. I'll also make some other crypto videos. So, yeah, definitely leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. I've been getting a lot of requests lately. And for the members of the channel, if you become a member, I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. But yeah, I'll try to get to all of these different requests eventually. But anyways, definitely join the members for the channel. And also remember, I'm not a financial advisor, not as financial advice. But yeah, let's get straight to it. So the first thing I want to talk about here with Baby Doge is obviously the uptrend that we just now had. We did almost get down to our support. I mentioned that the 1250 support was going to be an area that we could hit on my previous video, and I also mentioned that maybe we don't actually hit it 100%. I actually mentioned the 1300 level, and that's exactly what we did. We dropped down to around 1300. It was really around 1325, and then when we dropped around that level, we pretty much went back on that uptrend. So yeah, watch the video from yesterday. You'll see everything I was talking about. I was like, look, we may not even get all the way down to 1250. We may just stop at 1300, and that's exactly what happened. We actually stopped at 1330 or 1325, somewhere around there. But yeah, now what we're seeing here with Baby Doge, we're actually trying to break past these levels here. So we're actually trying to break past these resistance. These are supply and demand of less demand. That's what the red areas indicate. So this is pretty much indicating there's less demand for Baby Doge around this area. But look, we did just now break above that level. Now you're seeing a little bit of a pullback here. So we may actually pull back to like the lower 1600s. So somewhere around the lower 1600s, possibly even high 1500s, somewhere around 1575. But yeah, it looks like right here we had some nice little resistance here, and I know it's kind of hard to see, but look right there. It's literally a little bit of resistance, like a tiny amount of resistance. So that is probably where our support is going to be met. So let's take off the indicator so I can show you what we're talking about. So there was a little bit of resistance here and here. So that's more than likely where our support is going to be met at. So let me draw this line out here. That's pretty much going to be around the 1480, 1475 area, somewhere around there. Let's just say, or I mean 1580, somewhere around 1580. So yeah, this is going to be around 1580, and that could be where we pull back with Baby Doge. Now you're seeing a red candlestick is actually being formed right here. So this is indicating that more selling is coming in. We did just now have some buying for Baby Doge, but now the selling is starting to come in for Baby Doge. So that's probably going to end up bringing us down to this level here, which is 1580. So prepare for a little bit of a drop, and then from there, that's when we can see the next pump for Baby Doge. So if we were to go on another uptrend from there, I'll talk about where we could go for the uptrend and where we could go from the downtrend. Now, if we go on the uptrend from where we're at right now, we're more than likely going to see Baby Doge end up getting up to this 1800 area, and then eventually doing a little bit of a pullback, probably back down to about the 1660 area that we were just now at. And then you'll see another pump with Baby Doge, bringing it all the way up here to the 2000 area, the 20. That's exactly what we need to see for Baby Doge. But first, we need to retest this support down here at 1580. Then once we retest that 1580 support, we're going to end up breaking past our resistance over here at 1660. And then after we pass that 1660, we're pretty much going to hit this resistance line here. And that resistance line is pretty much what is a resistance area, to be completely honest. It's going to be more so around 1800 to about 1900. So we're just giving a very brief area for it, because I could say that it'll hit this line or that line, but you never know where it's going to hit. But you do know that is the area that it's going to land in. So that's what we know. So yeah, somewhere around the 1800 to the 1900 area, that's where we should have our next resistance after we have this next pump all the way down here from 1580 all the way up. And then after that, you'll see this area up here being met, which is the 1900 area. So that's around, not 1900, but really it's the 2000 area. So somewhere around 2000, which is 8Z2, which is 8 zeros and a 2 at the end. So 8Z2 all the way about to about 8Z21, somewhere around there. So that is the bullish scenario. If we become bullish for Baby Doge, that's what we'll see. We'll see within like the next day or two, Baby Doge running up to about the 20 area. Now, if we were to become bearish, that is something that you always have to take into consideration. If Baby Doge were to become bearish, and then you would pretty much see a pullback, like I said, down here first to 1580. And then if we try to break past this level here, so I don't know why that popped up right there, but yeah, if we try to end up breaking past this level up here, the 1660, and we get rejected at 1660, then you will see Baby Doge go back down to the next area of support that we had. So first things first, we had some resistance around here. So that could be acting as our new support if we go on a bearish path. So that would pretty much be around 1450. So 8Z1450. So 1450 being that first line of support. And then, we'll probably try to do some retesting of our previous highs around 1580. And then if they got rejected again, then you would see Baby Doge drop down to about 1320, 1325. That's where we had our support previously. But look how we didn't break it there. This next time, if we go bearish, we will break it because it'll pretty much be the whole premise of a bull trap. So then we would break it and we would end up going down back all the way down here to about 1250. And I know a lot of you don't want to see the 1250 being met again, the 1250 support. But let's be honest, if we go down any lower than that, we'll have good buying opportunities. But anyways, over here you can see that is where our support is. So expect 1250 if we go on a bearish path. But first, it's going to end up hitting the 1450 area. And then from there, it will hit around 1325 and then 1250. So we'll have some, we'll have a lot of bull traps along the way. Let's be completely honest. We're going to have bull traps. But anyways, the bulls are pretty much in control of the 24-hour market control by 60%. So it's pretty much showing that we're 60% bullish, which is actually it's a pretty good analysis for what we're at right now. We definitely look like we're more on the bullish side than the bearish side, but you still want to be prepared because when you look at these resistance levels, they're still there. It's not like they're just dissipating in the thin air. Like there's literally still there. We still have the possibility of going down as well as the possibility of going up, but it's more of a possibility to the upside with Baby Doge. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got for the Baby Doge technicals here. Now this is the 15M chart. Looking at the 4-hour chart, if we want to look at the grand scheme of things, Baby Doge is still projected to hit this area up here around the 2-0 area. And then from there, we have more resistance around the 2-8 area, which will probably end up getting rejected after we break past that. So I don't know if you want to call it a bull trap or not, but I don't think we're going to hit all-time highs again until the crypto market becomes bullish or, until it's about to become bullish, somewhere around there. So we're going to have to wait for that. But anyways, looking at Bitcoin as well, Bitcoin just now topped out here at this resistance level. So yeah, Bitcoin just now topped out at 30.1K here. So yeah, the fact that Bitcoin is all the way up here at this level, I really do believe this is another bull trap for Bitcoin. It's probably going to end up breaking this 28K support if it goes down. Now, it does show the bulls are in control by 60%. But actually, if you look over here on the oscillator, something big is pretty much showing up here. So the oscillator right here is showing there's less buying for Bitcoin. You can see here the buying is becoming less and that selling is actually becoming more and more, which is a bearish signal. Buying becoming less, you can see right here, it's pretty much showing you this chart movement going on the downside. So yeah, we're probably going to have some bearish movements for Bitcoin again, going below 30K all the way back down to 28 and eventually 26K. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for the technicals here. Baby Doge is doing fairly well today, 10.2% for the last 24 hours. So that is definitely nice. And the whole overall crypto market trying to do some recoveries here, but not as successful as Baby Doge. Baby Doge is just going ham right now. It's going crazy. Anyways, we're almost at 1.6 million holders. We're at 1,549,932 holders. All good stuff there. And the Baby Doge army is literally pumping. So yeah, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and join. And I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. As always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.